What's good, traders? It's your boy Kilichku. I'm back with another episode. In this video, I'll be talking about the Forex versus crypto trading. Right? I know some of us must have been trying to figure out how the Forex and the crypto market works. Because I do come across some of these questions like between Forex and crypto, which one is more convenient for beginners? Which one can one make the most money from? So make sure you stick around to the ending of this video because I'll be breaking it more down to the layman understanding so you could get to understand the differences between the forex and the crypto market. I will also be sharing my own personal experiences while trading the both market, the things I get to notice trading the both market. So if this video is something you would love watching, don't forget to like and subscribe. Try to share it out so YouTube could get to recommend some of our videos to the broader audience out there, most especially the newbies trying to have the insights of how the forex and the crypto trading works. So without not taking much of our time, let's dive straight into today's topic.
So firstly, I'll get to be talking about I get how I got into the boot markets, right? Secondly, I'll still be emphasizing the key differences as regards to the trading hours in both the forex and the crypto market, right? So let's head straight in. So right now, I'll get to start with how I started trading. I transited from trading forex to trading, trying out crypto also. So at first, I started with Forex. I was trading currency pairs like GBP USD and SAU USD. That's good. So when I start off 2024, right? So there was this time, there was account I was handling, a $10,000 evaluation account. So I get to my 8% to pass the first phase within the space of 2 weeks. The account was going very well and smoothly. I passed the first phase. Getting to the second phase of the account, it was going a very good and later started going bouncing back against me. Like I was on big drawdown, like I was on loss on that account up to like 30% loss. So what did I do? I said that I need to rest my head. Like I need to leave trading for a week. I left trading without not trading for 7 days. Within that 7 days, what I was doing was trying to backtest, to re-strategize and know those things that have been working out for me that and try to know the things that I've not been doing well that I need to put more effort to do very, very well at, right? So as that BTC was the pair that I said, okay, let me be back testing with, and BTC is actually a crypto pair, right? So you can see how I started because the first phase I didn't trade anything BTC, I didn't even know that I can even trade that pair. So I was trading only gold and GBP. So at the second phase, that was when I started. So at this day, I just woke up so very in the morning. I analyzed BTC because I've already back tested and see that this pair is going very nicely, and I'm getting to understand the market movement over there. Though that is a very volatile pair, right? It's a very volatile pair. So at that, I love volatile pairs. I really like any pairs that is very volatile. That's why I even trade gold. So at this point, I analyzed so very in the morning, like around the Asian section within 2 a.m. I analyzed and enter a trade, not knowing that that day was a CPI news. There was a CPI news coming up that day. I checked, I see, okay, there was news. My mind was okay. As I've entered this trade, I know that maybe before the news, I'm already out. Market has given me what I want. I'm already out. But that day, I just exercised patience. I was not. I have no emotions attached to that trade. I left the trade. The trade was playing out. I slept off, left it, went for my daily routine. I was doing what I was doing. So as price has already, all long story short, when price get above like 50 to 100 pips, I I break even on that trade to be risk free, right? So I left the trade. I left the chart. So when CPI come up, CPI spiked up in my favor. I covered the losses of 3%. I was still placed on profit. So right, so from that day I started seeing BTC as a pair that if BTC can give me this within just a day, I get over almost $300 loss and still was placed on profit because it's 1:5 risk to reward. Just imagine that kind of thing, risking $100 to 1:5. That's crazy, right? So that day, I started from that day I developed love for trading crypto. That's trading BTC. That was when I started trading BTC. That doesn't mean that I was not even trading gold, but I was trading gold, but I reduced the the mode at which I trade gold. I now fixed everything to BTC. I now fixed all my energy and strength to BTC. Right? So this, what am I trying to emphasize right now? I'm trying to say that you have to know that thing that is working out for you, right? You have to know that thing that is working out for you. Once it's working out for you, you use the same strategy, you use the same confluences, you use the same motive you use in doing that same thing you've been doing. Don't try to switch side. That doesn't mean that as I'm trading Bitcoin, I can't trade gold again. I can actually trade gold anytime I want to trade gold, right? But at some point, if I didn't see any confluence, if I didn't see any opportunity on gold, I trade BTC. If I didn't see any opportunity on BTC, I trade gold. That's how I was doing it, right? So, secondly, let's emphasize the key differences in these both markets, the forex and the crypto markets. The key differences as regards to their trading hours, right? So for forex markets, forex we all know that forex opens 24 hours, but it's 5 days in a week, in the sense that it opens from Monday and closes on Friday. While crypto on its own opens 24 hours, 7 days. It opens from Monday to Sunday. It's traded even during the holidays, even during the weekends. The market is all open on crypto. BTC USD, Ethereum, Solana, as many as they are all open during any day, anytime, right? So forex pay is more like how we have the US dollar, the euro, the GBP. These pairs are the forex pairs. But for crypto, there are digital coins like the Bitcoin, that's BTC, Ethereum, that's ETH, Solana, that's SOL, and many others. So as regards to their regulations, when it comes to regulations, you have to know that forex is highly regulated. You get forex is is that market regulated, in the sense that most brokers operate under many, or they operate under financial authorities like the FCA, that's the Financial Conduct Authority, the NFA, that's the National Futures Association, and the CySEC, that's the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission. These are the financial authorities forex operates with. These are the board, like these are the chair and the co-chair that regulates the forex market, so that things over there will be free. But at least the risk over there is highly regulated with all these authorities, right? So but for crypto, now you get to know that crypto is less regulated, most especially in many regions. I don't think that is even it's not all the country that allows this crypto trading, or but as anywhere you are, you can do forex regardless, right? Not every country accepts paying. If you want to pay now, you pay with either Bitcoin or you pay with Ethereum. Not all the country accepts that, right? But forex, you can trade it so far you have your internet connection and anything you need, you can do it anywhere you want. But there are some places that you have to use VPN to make sure you connect before you even have access to seeing how this crypto is doing, all those kind of things. I don't know if you just try to understand, right? Remember, this is not a financial advice. This is just for educational purposes only. So you can still make your own researches, right? To get to understand more, right? So that's it. So for crypto just varies on coin. That's the BTC, as I mentioned earlier, the BTC Ethereum, or the liquidity over there. are very, very high, right? The liquidity over there or the volatility, let's use the term volatility. For Forex tends to have less volatile, it's less volatile, and the prediction, it moves with analysis and predict predictable movements, right? You can just see on a Forex pair, you can just use price action to trade it. That doesn't mean that you can't use price action to trade cryptos. You can still use price action, but on the Forex aspect, the Forex market respects candlesticks a lot. Bitcoin also respects candlestick, but at some point, the spike over there can be very, very manipulative. You get so these are the things that we all need to know, knowing that Forex and crypto on its own is not even the same. Just with all this happening, you've seen the two differences of it. You've seen that the regulation over on Forex is high, while the regulation on crypto is minimal, right? So these are the few things we all need to know about Forex and crypto. So for their securities, you have to know that Forex, they don't own currency, they speculate through brokers. Whenever you want to trade Forex, you can't just, it's not like how crypto is that you go to buy bits and deposit to trade Forex, right? Or you go to Binance to buy coin, or you go to third party somebody. I don't know how some people do sell coins. Somebody will tell you that he sells so coin, he do sell Bitcoin. If you want to trade your Bitcoin, you can bring money. I will deposit Bitcoin on your wallet. Just are you just seeing how the thing seems to even be somehow awkward or something? Get to understand that Forex on its own it deals with broker. So the regulated brokers are those people that you if you get to deposit on the broker will give you the logins you will use into trading on your MT5, right? Or your MT4. They are very regulated, right? But crypto on its own is not that way. Crypto on its own, it's not that way. So to be honest, just do what's match your criteria. For the purpose, Forex are used by traders, they are used by banks, the governments, and for hedging and speculations. These are like Forex is mostly used or they are mostly traded. It's a market that where hedge funds, big banks trade on. But crypto has more broader use. It can be used for investment, it can be used for utility, Web3, NFTs, and many of them. So anyone that fits your personality and lifestyle, yeah, you just have to go for that. Just go for that fits your personality. And the advice I can just share or give is, please, if you're trying to start out, like if you're a newbie, my advice is just try to master one. It's either you master Forex or you master crypto. Don't try to do both at the same time. Just pick one. Once you pick one, get to focus on learning one strategy. Don't try to, if you are a price action trader, today you are a price action trader, tomorrow you are doing ICT, the next day you are doing SMC. Things will get you overcomplicate the knowledge for yourself. And if that you have like a month or 2 3 months for you to master the craft, it will take you longer time, it will take you up to a year plus to master what you even know, right? So whenever you are trying to start out, try to know the basic things and avoid the hype. The hype in the sense that you want to do, okay, I want to be trading Bitcoin, so they will be calling me Bitcoin Lord or Bitcoin King. I don't know how people just see that kind of hype. So just remove the bad hype. Do what works for you. Don't do something that is working for another person. Don't go and say that so far is working for this person is going to work for me. Just do that one that you believe that on your own self, personally, you can speak out for yourself on it, even though they wake you up from sleep. You can strongly stand on it and know what you are doing on that, right? So that's it. Another thing is try to make friends with those people that can keep you accountable. Accountable in the sense that you are mingling with like-minded people, those that think not just about the money, but the process to get that money, right? The right process to follow to get that money. That's just the kind of right, the like-minded people you have to mingle with. Stay out from noise, big noise, like trying to enter much group to learn something. Those groups, I can drastically tell you that most times those groups are the things that will even make you not believe yourself, because it has happened to me like most times that the groups I was in Telegram then, I will be on a running trade, and this trade would have been a trade that will make me pass my account or make me get over my losses. But if I get to see that someone has sent a signal on that group, and it's all these big boys that if they've sent signal and you be like, oh, this person is somebody I'm looking up to. It's better I close out my own trade and follow his own, or just stop trading that day because I'm on a buy and that person is saying sell. And later on, if you check out everything, that day might be the day that person might hit a stop loss, and your own will go on your own favor. But you've already doubted yourself. You've not believed that yours is very correct more than that person, regardless of whosoever. Forex is not something that say that this person is getting it more right than anybody. You can be right on your own terms. Your terminology can be very right, perfectly right on your own analysis. The person you think you're looking up to, that day might be his losing day, but you don't know. But you want to doubt yourself because you don't really believe what you are doing. So it's just better to keep doing that thing you are doing, to believe yourself and not just somebody. Trading is just a one man game. It's a personal race. A personal race in the sense that you have to believe yourself. The mindset is everything that is speaking right here. The mindset in the market is the only thing that speaks more. When you remove that fear and be consistent on your craft, after being consistent, be disciplined that if you say you are going to trade today, you are not going to trade more than two trades today. Even though that two trades is a losing trade, you are done for that day. You don't want to play around, or yes, we are all humans, but imagine you keeping your rules. That rule will really, really help you, right? Whenever you try to disrespect that rule, you will see how you'll be drowning back. So it's just very nice for us to respect that rule and know that trading is just a one man game. You have to just believe that thing you are doing, and with that, things will definitely turn out very greatly for you, right? So if you get up to this point in this video, don't forget to like smash that subscribe button, because I know that you've got to you are going today, or today you are not just watching for watching sake. You really understand and learn a lot from here. So don't hesitate to subscribe to the channel so you too could get to recommend our videos to more broader audience out there, most especially the newbies who wants to start off their trading career 2025/2026. So don't try to mess things up with yourself. Keep grinding, keep all hopes to God. With time, everything will definitely get better, right? So if you know the ones that is much better for you, either forex or crypto, just drop it in the comment section. I'm over there to respond to each and every one of you. Stay blessed.